Hi, I'm Ethan and I'm here today to guide you through the basics of low voltage landscape lighting. Line voltage is a standard 120 volts used in most US homes. It's required to be installed by a licensed electrician. Low voltage, on the other hand, is more DIY friendly, requiring a transformer which steps your voltage down from 120 volts to 12 or 24 volts, making it safer and more energy efficient. All right, so let's dive in and break down the main components of your landscape lighting low voltage system. Fixtures house your light source and allow you to direct the light beam where you want it to go. Common fixture types include spotlights, which are used for highlighting trees and distinct features on your home, and your larger spotlights, which are used for highlighting large areas. Path lights are great for illuminating areas such as driveways, walkways, and garden beds. Well lights are in-ground fixtures with an upward light and a minimum profile. Step lights are discrete fixtures that allow you to safely illuminate your deck steps and landscape steps. Deck lights are great, compact fixtures that allow you to highlight areas around your deck or on walls. Hardscape lights. These fixtures are designed to be slim and used to help highlight architectural features. Fixtures can come with or without a bulb. Removable bulbs offer flexibility for customization and replacement, while integrated fixtures simplify installation but require full replacement if the bulb fails. Depending on the landscape fixture you choose, you may need a stake to secure your fixture firmly in the ground. Your direct burial cable and your connectors are used to connect your circuit and allow your system to run smoothly. Enhance your system with photocells or timers to allow your system to run automatically. Just set it and forget it. Here are a few considerations to think of before you purchase your landscape lighting system. Color temperature can help you set the right mood. Warm white ranging from 2700 to 3500 Kelvin creates a soft and inviting atmosphere. Cool white ranging from 4000 to 4500 Kelvin sets a clean and modern stage. Diagram your system to ensure everything works seamlessly. Key factors include your number of fixtures, wattage per fixture, wire gauge and distance, and transformer capacity. Always allow your 20% buffer to prevent overloading. For example, a 150 watt transformer should only handle about 120 watts of fixtures to ensure long-term reliability. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert tips and tutorials. Need help planning? Don't forget to check out our video calculating system requirements for step-by-step guidance. That's it. Now you're ready to start designing and installing your beautiful and functional landscape lighting system. Thanks for watching.